Hi Sparkles, it's Simper Sparkles here, and I'm going to try the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Hershey's Kisses. I'm pretty sure this is pretty new. It's like crunchy on the inside with some like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But overall it's like basically Cinnamon Toast Crunch cinnamon. Well, basically cinnamon sugar mixed with Hershey's Kisses. Bye.